Welcome back. So today we are going to see the part 2 to add a new page and in the online snacks ordering systems with ASP.NET 5 with Razor pages and Visual Studio Code. So not Visual Studio 2019 but Visual Studio Code for first time I'm going to use, and we have actually created the project in the last lecture in the part 1, and it is very essential that you go through the lecture first, which will be in the description of the video, and also I will put some cards at in this video to link it to the previous lecture. In this tutorial, I am going to create an about page, which will be a new page, and I'm going to put some contents and link it to the home page and the privacy page, which we have shown by running the application in the first. Now we will use the ASP.NET Core scaffolding system to create the page, which is invoked in VS Code by commands executed in the terminal. Okay, so the command to make a new page, create a new page is .NET new page, and we'll see by by clicking on the view and then terminal and uh, view terminal. Okay, again, and I will stop this application and then give this command .NET new page. I think this p will be small. The name switch, and I will give it a name about, because this is going to be an about page which is not present in the default template of Microsoft. So we'll create a namespace, a switch, and I will give it a namespace snacks dot pages. So within snacks dot pages and a switch which is output pages. All right. So why I am giving this namespace command explicitly, because if I don't give the namespace command over here, then by default it will create a namespace which is the project name, that is snacks razor pages, as you can see here, snacks razor pages dot pages. Now this seems a bit unwieldy, so I am giving an explicit namespace from my side. Okay, and let click on enter. So the template razor page was created successfully. So here, this is the about page. So about.cshtml.cs, this is the CS page. This is the page behind page equivalent in the web forms, and it derives from the page model class. And this is the view file. This is a content file, and this is snacks.pages.about model, because I have created the namespace snacks.pages. So this will be snacks.pages. In every um, time I create and give it a namespace explicitly, it will show the namespace. Okay. Now I have copied some code just to save a lot of time in typing, and just paste it over here and then save it. This one icon is for one unsaved file. So I can just click Control and S to save it, or the other option is to um, file, save. Okay. Now again, I have to build this file. So .NET run command will give me the build plus run. So .NET run, so it will build the project again. So has given me build error, which probably is due to the fact that I have copied it from somewhere else and this quote close was not proper. And then again, I will save it and I will run this command again. .NET run. It's still building now. This time it has built successfully and it is listening on these ports. Okay, HTTPS and HTTP. So I will not run the application once more, but I will do some more changes and come back again to run this application. So next, in the program, in the schedule, is to add a navigation. Now this main site navigation is here in the shared folder layout file. This is the layout file which is applied to the entire website. So here I need to do some changes. So I will accordingly put the code that is in my clipboard again to this code. So I will just copy this, Control A, Control A. So and Control V to write over the existing code, and then click on File and Save. It will save. So here I have given some privacy. I have changed the privacy with my copyright Snackomania, because Snackomania is the company that we know is the brand name of the company, and I have changed the title to Snackomania, and I have created an this part. This is within an unordered list with this class within the Bootstrap CSS, home, about, and privacy. And these are the um, there's no ASP area in this project, so ASP area is empty, but ASP page is index. This is the tag helper. These three tags are the tag helper in ASP.NET Core. Okay, so they are linking um, this page to other. I mean, this about is linked to home and privacy, and so are the other pages that when we work with them, we'll see. Okay. Now, this was not quite complete. So let me complete this code by pasting from my clipboard again and completing the code for this markup. Okay, now this is complete. Control S again to save. Now we are in a position to run the program again. So click on View and then get the output terminal, and it was already running. So I will just stop it. I will rebuild it. Application is shutting down, and then up and down arrow on the keyboard will get me all the commands that I have run, and click on enter. It will build again, and it is now starting to listen again on this link. Follow this link, control and click, and there we are. You have got an Snackomania logo already in place, and you have got an about page with a little bit of Snackomania about the background of how the Snackomania was founded by a lady developer, Sweetie, and she was a developer by day and Snack Queen by night. So you can just read about it. And let me show you how this Snackomania link is coming. This is coming from this layout.cshtml file, the site-wide layout file, which is on the shared folder, and this is coming from here, source images, and this is the relative path, /images /brand.png, and which is an alt text Snackomania. So this is the end of this tutorial, part 2, and in the next tutorial we'll be seeing how to create the model part.